This is problem number 13 on the practice problems for test number 3. Use the Taylor series expansion from 12 to find the Taylor series expansion for an antiderivative of f of x equals cosine x squared. Write out the first 5 terms of the series as well as the nth term of the series. And before we dive into the particulars of this problem, I just want to point out that forgetting about series, if we just wanted an antiderivative of cosine of x squared, personally, I would be stumped as to what to do. I don't know how to find an antiderivative of cosine x squared. There might not be one. So series could be the only option in a problem like this. So first thing to do is grab the final result from number 12 because we already did the work for cosine of x squared. So here's the series we got from number 12 for cosine of x squared. And all we're trying to do is find an antiderivative. So let's just find an antiderivative. So the antiderivative of cosine x squared is equal to, and then we're just doing antiderivatives of these 5 terms. So antiderivative of 1 is just x. Add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. I'm just going to write it like this. Add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. And then last part here is just this general term. So the constants get copied just like they have the whole time. So the 2n factorial is going to be there. Negative 1 to the n is going to be there. The variable here is x. So antiderivative of x to the 4n. Add 1 to the power. Divide by the new power. And so there you go. You can have an antiderivative of cosine of x squared to as much accuracy as you need by just writing out enough of these terms.